I'm Myrmidon from Myrmidon's overclocking channel, and today I'm bringing you a quick look at the AMD Sempron 3850. So, story time is, I have my PC, which I built with a 2200G, and I don't really want to screw it up that badly. I have ran it at 1.65 volts at 4150 megahertz so far, using this H7 cooler, but that's not really something I desire to do too often, so I'm going to keep it as kind of like an undervolted daily use system, actually. So I'm going to do that, and I need a platform for my overclocking, to satiate my overclocking desires. So AMD Sempron it is. This is the Sempron 3850, 4 cores at 1.3 gigahertz, 25 watt TDP, 2 megabytes of L2 cache, and 32 kilobytes of L1 cache. It's not very powerful, and it's AM1 socket, so it's really outdated, but that means it's perfect. I mean, I got the motherboard for $40, it's on its way, you'll be seeing plenty of it, and this was only $40, brand new, it's even sealed, and I got a stick of RAM, DDR3 1333 for $18, so, you know, because this runs in single channel, so no need for 2 sticks, right? So yeah, that's why I got this processor, and it's very cool, I think, just because of what it offers. So yeah, let's get into it, eh? Oh, this might be slightly large. Hold on. It's fine. When everything's this big, nothing is a problem. Okay, so opening up the box after popping that seal. Yes. Quick note before. Check out the size difference of these two bad boys. Yeah, they really went all out with Ryzen, huh? So, anyway, I open the box, and what do I see? I see this. More importantly, what I really do see is that there's a small package containing this AM1 socket CPU. I get, oh hey, I even get a Sempron sticker to add to whatever the hell I want to add it to. Got a little manual and certificate of authenticity with a AMD Sempron sticker. Some instructions on how to install the cooler, which doesn't look like a regular AMD mounting. Yeah, oh, and here's the cooler. Oh, this is quality. Oh, jeez. Oh, something fell. Oh, God. Oh, here we go. So these are like push pins, like from Intel. Here, you know what? Actually, I'll show you later, but they're like separate, and this is the, this is the cooler. This is the entire cooler. So just as a perspective, that's the CPU, that's the cooler. That's how big it is. It's barely larger than the freaking processor itself. Oh, that's adorable. Look at how big is this fan? Hold on, actually. For anybody who wants to know the size of this absolute beast of a unit, it's a 50 centimeter fan. 50 centimeter, my god, 50 millimeter fan. So, yeah, that's true quality right there. So I will not be using this, in fact. I will see if there's a possible method of mounting my Cryorig H7 to that AM1 motherboard just to get absolute maximum performance out of it. But yeah, and then let's see these push pins. These push pins that come with the system. So this is what one of them looks like. You have kind of like a peg here with an end, and then you have another kind of slotted piece with a spring. I'm assuming this just goes like this. Yeah, so it just goes like that through the motherboard and then onto the cooler. Hold everything together. But yeah, that's really all. There's nothing else in this tiny little box. Like I can barely fit a fist in here, you know. But yeah, that's the AM1 3850. I'll be bringing performance numbers on this. Not that you really give a damn, but I'll be bringing performance numbers on this nonetheless, and that's just an unboxing and showing you what's inside. Do I recommend this product already just from seeing what's in the box? Absolutely not. This is ridiculous. It's outdated, for one. It's outdated. It is going to be definitely very slow. It's going to run pretty cool, which is a bonus, but it might not run quiet with, you know, a 50 freaking millimeter fan. And honestly, I paid $40 for this in a refurbished motherboard, not even new, refurbished. And for nowadays, you can get like $50 for a ASRock like HDV or a Gigabyte DS3H B450 or B350, and a VAIG in like a 200 GE Athlon, which is $100 instead of $80, and your amount of performance that is just ridiculously increased. So don't buy this product unless you want to tinker with it like I'm doing. Either way, that's been me on the on the AMD Sempron 3850. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to answer them. I love learning more about things that I haven't even thought about. That's about it. Yeah, I'm Myrmidon, and this has been one hell of a show.